Yun, oh. Yun. Yun. Yun, oh. Sarap ng alimango pag libre. Yun.
Uy, suspension. Gumagana.
Oh yeah, look at that crab.
Mukhang mapupuno yung balde natin. Wow! Wow, saglit na saglit lang.
What is up, people? Nakita nyo na naman ang pagmumukha ko. Kung napapansin nyo, wala nang bagyo, wala nang malakas na hangin, maganda sikat ng araw. Kaya naman, magkakrabing kami today. Kaya lang kursunada to ni Cheryl. So, i-unbox muna namin para makita niya, para matest ride niya ng konti. Or matest ride ko ng konti. Kursunada niya to, pero it's mine. Okay, unbox muna natin to. So, as usual, i-review ko to sa ating cycling channel. This is the Jan Snow X70. Meron akong X50 na Jan Snow. Maganda yung bike na yun, kaya lang wala na siya dito sa amin. Pero si Jan Snow nagpadala ng bagong e-bike. X70. May nag-aaway ng mga aso doon. Narinig niyo ba? Ayun. Pwisit ng mga aso to. Nasaan ba si Marley, ha? Okay, I'm not gonna be distracted. Okay. Ito ang ating Jan Snow X70. Yun.
Wow!
Yun, oh. Oh, yun, oh. Meron tayong box. Sabi muna natin yan dyan. And sa dinami-dami na ng e-bike na na-unbox ko, hindi pa rin ako expert. So dapat sa ilalim ko to binuksan. Pero okay lang yan. Kaya ko yung gawa ng paraan. Gamit ang aking muscles. Ugh. Never mind.
No.
Alright. Whew. The struggle is legit. Okay. Alright, we don't have no time to waste. And ito mga kaibigan, ang Jan Snow X70. Dual battery. Wow. Ayos. Yun, no? Battery dito, and may battery. You know what? Let me go get my cutter. Yun, no? Ayos, ah. Shrink wrap. First time ko makita na may shrink wrap, ah. Make sure na walang gas-gas. Yun, no? Ba? First time to, ah. Nakaiba to, ah. Medyo unique kesa dun sa iba kong e-bikes. Pretty nice looking bike so far. Alright, unbox natin to. See what we got here. Hopefully merong tools. Got a manual. Charger. Ooh, turn signal indicators. Maybe lagay ko to dun sa isa kong e-bike. I don't know, but I like this. Meron tayong bike lock, bike pump. Ooh, big headlight. Look at that. That is nice. We'll find out kung okay to, kung maliwanag siya. Ooh, we have phone mount. I need this. Actually, well, never mind. Cheap phone mount. I'm not gonna put my iPhone in there. Next thing you know, nabagsak. Oh, we got 2 chargers. We got 2 batteries, so... What? Huh. Yung iba kong dual battery ng mga e-bike, isa lang yung mga charger na pinapadala nila. Kasi parehas lang naman yung charging port. So, this one got 2. Let me make sure that charger talaga to. Ooh, 2 chargers. So, in reality, isang charger lang talaga kailangan mo. You know, and normally, pagka may mga pinapadala sa akin ng mga e-bikes na may dalawang battery, isang charger lang pinapadala nila. And yung extra battery, kung gusto mo, extra bayad. So, this is pretty cool. Mura tong e-bike na to. And dun sa una kong Jan Snow na e-bike, quality siya. Sa presyo, hindi siya ganun kaganda, pero quality siya. Bang for your buck, kumbaga. And ito, dual battery, full suspension. Yung una kong Jan Snow na e-bike, hindi siya full suspension. Ito, full suspension, pero mura pa rin kesa dun sa mga ibang e-bikes na makikita mo online. And dalawa pa yung battery. Meron pa mga kung ano accessories na, well, yung iba, hindi ko naman magagamit. Like this, I mean, I can use this just to assemble the bike, but long term, tapo na lang to kasi baka masira pa yung mga bolts. Pero maganda to pang, you know, you can get by with it para ma-install mo lang yung mga, yung gulong, yung handlebars. So, let's, tulad nito, ayan. I mean, do you really want to use that? Yeah, gimmick lang yung mga yan. But like what I said, pwede mo siyang i-install, gamitin mo isang beses, then toss it to the trash. Assemble muna natin to. Okay, the bike is finally fully assembled. Lock the battery. Nope. Here we go. Is it locked? It is locked. Okay. Alright. Testing na natin. Taas ah. Uy. Suspension. Gumagana. Okay. Ano, test ko na ba? You know. Pwede. Parang ang ganda nito ah. Khaki yung kulay niya. Ayaw ni Cheryl ng kulay eh. Mukha raw tayo ng aso. Grabe to. Sama na ugali nito. Hindi, ganda. Sakto sa akin. Taas eh. Hindi pwede sa ito, babe. Hindi mo abot. Ha? Ayaw mo ng kulay? Psst. Okay. Diba? Comfy. Comfy siya. Gusto mo i-try? I'm gonna have to read the manual for this kasi hindi ko alam kung naka-activate ba yung dalawang battery or kailangan muna bang maubos to or ito. Tinanggal ko tong battery. You know what? Tanggalin natin yung battery. Late na tayo sa crabbing, babe. We gotta go. Baka wala ng crabs. But you know what? Tanggalin natin yan. Okay. Okay, it's still on. Look. It is still on. It's still moving. Okay, so I guess it doesn't matter which battery is installed, it's still gonna work. Okay, good. Alright, lagay muna natin ito sa garage and manghuli tayo ng mga alimango. Alright, on the way to the spot and hopefully may tubig dun sa dock na yun kasi pa-low tide na. So magandang mag-crabbing dito pag low tide pero pag super low tide, eh wala nang crab kasi nandun sila sa tubig. Bihira sila nagpupunta sa mud. Ang maganda niyan is low tide ang paborito kong fishing. Oh no, hold on now. Sorry for the interruption. May tao sa spot natin. May tao sa spot natin, man. What's wrong? What's going on? Hopefully paalis na siya. Oh, hindi. Kararating lang. Kararating lang niya. Yeah, that's right. Get out of my spot. Ooh, may water. May tubig tayo. Let's go. Sigurado yan. Nandiyan na yung mga crab. Let's do it. Okay. Good. Perfect. Low tide siya pero may tubig pa rin. Which is good. Alright, people. Let's go. Let's go get the crabs. Alright. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa spot. Walang masyadong hangin. Kaya medyo mainit. Medyo malamok. Dito sa US, ang mga lamok, grabe. Mega mosquito ang mga nandito sa amin. And yan, kaya meron tayong fan na ganyan. Para pagka medyo nainitan at nilamok si Marshall, meron tayong konting electric pan, no? Di ba? Alright, so what's going on here, Mama Cheryl? Ayan, ito yung pain natin, mga manek.
Manak.
Ayan, meron na tayong nakalaglag dito na isa. And of course, habang meron yan dyan, mag-fishing ako kahit papano. Itong spot na to, hindi siya ganun kaganda na spot for fishing. Pero, minsan may nahuhuli dito. May mga fishing spot ako dito na couple miles away na magandang spot. Itong spot na to is talagang for crabbing lang. Alright, so pag nag-fishing, of course, meron akong rod and reel. Ayan. And madalas nagamit ko itong 3/16 na jig head na to. Tali ko lang yan dyan. Then, of course, bago mo siya higpitan, ayan, tali natin na ganyan. Medyo may kalawang pero matalim pa naman. And ito, ang paborito kong swim bait. Ayan. So, hagis ko lang siya and then papalangoy-langoyin ko lang siya hanggang sa may kumagat. I don't think I'm gonna catch anything here because like what I said, this is really not a good fishing spot. Walang feature dito na, you know, para tambayan ng isda. So gagawin ko, habang nagka-crabbing, hagis-hagis lang because you never know. Right there. So ang ginagawa ko, this is gonna be epic. Huh? You got something? Oh, may crab na daw si Cheryl. Hold on. Got some? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Whoa! Whoa, saglit na saglit lang. What? No, let's not mix it. Let's put the crabs here. Kasi inumin natin yan eh. We're gonna keep those two. And yung maliit. Oh, yeah, you know what? We can use the small one for bait. No, get in it. Yun! Nice, okay. Baba lang ulit yan dyan. And like what I said, habang nagka-crabbing, fishing, di ba? Alright, meron na tayong isang medyo decent size. Yung isa, gagawin naming bait yung maliit. Too small, babe. May bait na tayong isa eh. Alright, well, yeah. Okay, keep that for bait. Meron na tayong 4. Okay na yan, 4 na bait. Ay, mamaya, hiwain natin yung maliliit na crab. Kasi hindi pwede silang i-keep kapag under 5 inches yung spike nila. So yeah, keep natin yung maliliit for bait. And maybe that's it. Ang daming crab ngayon kaya lang hindi ganun kagaganda yung size. Oh no, there's fishes over there. Jumping all over the place. And minsan, kapag mahirap talaga ang kagatan, what I do is I use this little gel. Para siyang shrimp paste. So mas maaamoy ng isda. And then, syempre, amoy isda or amoy shrimp. And then, mukhang isda. They'll take it. It's actually effective, itong shrimp paste na to. Pero like what I said, this is really not a good fishing spot. The tide is perfect though. Perfect tong tide na to para sa flounder. But you know, we're here for crabs. But you never know. Meron. Meron. Ay, maliit. That's too small. Maliit oh. We have to let it go. It's too small. Ayaw sa akin. Ganoon naman talaga lagi, di ba? Pagka nagka-crabbing tayo. sa akin na pupunta yung maliliit. May video kami dito dati na nag-crabbing kami. Ang liliit ng mga nahuhuli ko. Si Cheryl, ang lalaki. I don't know why.
See the bird?
Where's the bird? Oh, those birds. Look, Marshall's talking about the birds. He was like, did you see the bird? They're right there. Huh? Oh, fan. Here we go. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Fan. Yeah, watch the birds, son. Yeah, right there. You guys see the birds? Pinapanood ni Marshall. Pretty daw. Look. I don't know what kind of birds are those, but minsan nagiging pink yung mga yan. So ang akala namin, flamingo. But it's not.
Ikaw lang.
Ako lang ba? Ako lang pala may akalang flamingo. Whatever. Ano ba naman yan?
Oh, malaki yan.
Bakit ikaw malaki? Pag ako humihila, ba't maliit? Ba't ganun? Ay, nagrarambol oh. Oh. Suntukan siya. Oy, relax lang mga herb. Relax lang kayo. Love, peace, and happiness lang. I promise, pakakawalan ko kayo dun sa kawali namin. No way. Meron na naman siya, oh. Diba? Mukhang makakarami tayo today. Or makakarami pala siya. Sana?
Ayun o, malaki.
Laki?
Oo.
Uy, papasok. Ayun, oh.
Nakakita ba dyan?
Ayun, oh. Kita.
Kumain mo.
Hintayin natin makapasok. Pumasok ka na, Mr. Ayun na, gumagalaw na. Kiren, oh, konti na lang. Pumasok ka na, boy. Konti na lang. Medyo intense to mga herb. Ayun pa, isa pa, oh. Ayun, oh. Palapit.
Naku, alanganin siya.
Ala, naku, mag-aaway. Hayaan mo silang pumasok dalawa. Ay, nakita niya, medyo malaki yung nauna. Sabi niya, hold on. Agawan ko ba to ng chicken or hintayin ko na lang siya?
Manak.
Hintayin mo lang. Papasok yan. Ayan na. Unti-unti. Nagki-creep in siya. Hopefully kita dito sa camera. You know what? Lagyan natin ng glasses. Yan. Ayun na. Dalawa sila. Hila. Yun. Yun. Laki. Alright, good. Mukhang mapupuno yung balde natin. Alright, put it back there.
Parang lahat galing doon.
Yeah, alam mo kung bakit? Papunta doon yung tubig. Tapos naamoy nila yung manok. Kasi papunta rin yung tubig. Well, itong uy, ang lalaki naman yan. Let me see.
Yung isa ayaw umalis.
Hindi, perfect yung isa pala. Look at this. Oh, ang laki oh. Yung isa, papalik na lang natin. Marami na tayong bait. Alright, so, pag gumagamit ako ng crab sa bait, of course, tanggalin natin yung ipit. Gupitin ko yung mga galamais. Ayan. And normally, red drum and black drum kumakagat dito. And yung mga maliliit na nakakainis na isda.
Na mustak yung niya.
Ayan. And then, tatanggalin ko tong lung part. Ayan. I don't know, lungs ba yan? Comment down below. And then ang gagawin ko is gugupitin ko siya sa kalahati. Uy, muntik pa malaglag. Okay. Gupit ng kalahati. And then, Every knuckle, every other 2 knuckles. Ayan, that's one bait right here. Yeah, may bait na tayo. And then, ito yung tinatawag na lazy fishing. Yung ihahagis mo lang yung bait sa malayo and then maghihintay ka lang ng kakagat. And I'm using a circle hook para hindi ko na-set yung hook. So pag may kumagat na isda, mahuhook niya na yung sarili niya kasi yung hook medyo pabilog. And then, hagis ko lang siya sa kung saan ko man maisipan na sa tingin ko may kakagat na isda. Maybe doon, tabi ng oyster. Right there. And then we just wait. We just wait. Bumangon sa putik, angat natin konti. Right there. And then, luluwagan ko yung drag para pag may isda, maririnig natin yung drag. At alam natin na may humihila. Alright, cool. And then we just wait. Oh look, we got another one. Another one. Looks like we're having crabs for dinner, baby. Looks like it. Wala pang kumakagat. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Maganda rin mag-launch ng kayak dito, kaya lang kailangan mong i-timing. Nagkayak na ako dito once and nagpunta ako dun sa papunta sa north. And maganda yung fishing kasi maraming oyster beds. And yun nga lang, pag nawala ng tubig, kailangan mo maghintay dun sa malayo kasi itong buong area na yan, yung buong area na yan, mawawala ng tubig. So, maghihintay ka ng matagal. Oras ang hihintayin mo hanggang sa, finally, bumalik na yung tide. And then you're finally gonna be able to come back over here and drag your kayak up there. You having fun, Iya?
Mm-hmm.
You look bored.
I'm not.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just relaxing.
Okay. Marshall, you having fun?
Yes.
Good boy. You just eat your cookies there. Make sure you drink water. Oh no! Meron na naman. Ang dami mapupuno yung bucket, babe. Alright. Ito ba? Wala pa? Nasa malalim na sila, babe, kasi pababa na yung tubig. It is not a fishy area, but it's perfect kasi may mga crabs and tuwing nagpupunta kami dito, halos kami lang talaga yung tao. Bihira kami magpunta dito na may ibang tao. Like 99% of the time, kami lang talaga yung nandito. And malapit yung parking. Ang problema lang dito, summertime, sobrang daming lamok. Sobrang daming mga niknik. Kaya ayun, meron kami laging fan. And today, nakalimutan namin yung bug spray. Buti na lang, medyo may konting breeze, may konting hangin. We love this spot, lalo na si Cheryl kasi mahilig talaga siyang mag-crabbing. Kasi hindi siya marunong mag-fishing eh. Di ba? Hindi, magaling mag-fishing yan. Iya, where'd the crabs go, baby? We need to catch some more crabs. That way we can get some ulam for our dinner tonight. Matter of fact, hindi ulam. Papak to tonight. Potok-batok to. Oh, no.
Hindi ba yung nag-check?
No. May tao. Kasasabi ko lang na kami-kami lang lagi dito. May dumating. Sino siya? Sino siya? Well, I mean, we can share the dock. This is not our private dock. So, pag gusto nila mag-fish. But right now, I don't think they're gonna be fishing kasi low tide. And looks like we have one right here. So, I think medyo na-late kami ng konti. Kasi wala nang crabs. Ayan, kanina pa, 10 minutes na kami naghihintay. Yan pa lang yung nahuli namin. So, I'm pretty sure na medyo nasa malalim-lalim na sila. Maybe I can toss it a little further. Hagis ko na medyo malayo. We'll wait and then pag wala tayong nahuli, I think pack up na. Ang gagawin ko is mag-fishing pa kami. Kasi maganda yung tide ngayon. Punta ako dun sa spot na yun. Dun, kita nyo yan? Magandang fishing area diyan, kaya lang bawal ang camera, so I can't really film there. But mamaya pag kami nahuli kami, makikita nyo pagdating namin sa bahay. So what time do you think we need to go? But so far, ayun yung mga crabs namin. Marami-rami na din. Can't complain, Meron ba? Meron yata to. Ayun, look, there's a crab. See that crab?
Papunta dito.
There's a crab right there. Look. Tinatanghay ng alan. Nagsiswimming lang. Well, meron pa rin. Okay, I guess we're gonna wait a little bit more. Baka mapuno yung bucket natin. Okay, it's time to get out of here. So far, yan yung nahuli nating mga crabs. Halos kalahating balde, which is not bad. Lagay natin to sa truck. Let's go. Come on, son.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up.
All right, come on.
Stand up.
Yeah. This is not bad. Marshall, look. Look at all the crabs we got.
Cool.
Yeah, don't put your fingers in there. Kung nagpunta kami dito ng medyo maaga-aga, baka mas marami pang crabs yung nahuli namin. Baka napuno natin itong bucket na to. But that's fine. We've been here for maybe 1 hour now. So it's really not that bad. And the good thing about crabs, hindi mo kailangan ng yelo. Kasi matagal ang buhay nila. So, habang nag-fishing kami, we're just gonna keep iwanan lang namin yung mga crabs dyan. And fishing. Tingnan natin kung may mahuhuli tayong fish. Like what I said, hindi pwede yung camera doon kasi Navy base yun. So, doon ako nagwo-work. And pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya pag uwi natin sa bahay kung may mahuhuli kami mga fish da. Alright. You good, son? You good, Iya? Alright. Alright, let's go, people. Let's see kung anong mahuhuli natin doon sa ipinagbabawal na spot. Alright. You guys ready? Oh yeah, there's plenty of mosquitoes here. That's the problem here in Georgia. We didn't leave anything there, right? Alright, cool. Para makapunta dito sa spot na to, kailangan natin dumaan dito sa kagubatan. Pero sulit naman. Actually, may campsite doon sa bandaron. So maybe one day mag-camping kami dito. The only problem is it's primitive. There's no water, there's no electricity. So pag nag-camping kami dito, we're gonna need to provide our own power, our own water, which is kind of cool. Pero yeah, isa sa bucket list natin yan. Kahit isa, 2 araw lang. Ang maganda dito sa spot na to is malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. It's like 4 miles away from the house. So let's say pag nag-camping kami dito, kailangan namin ng pagkain or kung ano man kailangan namin, I can just drive out, go back to the house, grab whatever we need, and come back to the campsite. But we're gonna try to like just camp na hindi aalis sa campsite. We're gonna bring everything we need and para ma-feel namin na totoong nagka-camping kami. Hindi na namin kailangan. But that's an option. Maganda pa niyan is may CR. So hindi kami magkakalat ng lagim kung saan-saan, di ba? Actually, yung campsite na yon is like maybe 100 yards away from that fishing dock, yung pinaghulihan natin ng mga crabs. So pag nag-camping kami doon, alam na gagawin namin, di ba? Either mag-fishing or mag-crabbing or maybe dalhin ko yung kayak ko, di ba? Pagkaya ko pag high tide. Okay, first fish of the day, maya. Ayan. Yun, ang taba, oh. Sarap ulam yan. So, hindi talaga ako pwede mag-video dito. So, ito lang. At least yung sahig lang. Papakita natin sa video. Alright, this goes to the cooler. Alright. Yo. Alright, let's get another one. Okay, second fish of the day, baby black drum. This needs to go back to the water. Alright. Back to the water. Bye-bye. Third fish of the day, croakhead. Bye-bye. Okay, fifth fish of the day. Fifth ba o fourth? I don't know. Medyo malaki-laking mangrove snapper. Ooh, look at that. Look how fat that is. Ulam kaboy. Paborito ko to eh. Paborito rin ng mga kids. So let's go into the cooler. You know. Bye. Alright, we got another one. A blackie. Baby blackie. Sayang, di pwedeng ipakita yung area na to. Pero, hey, we got fishies. Bye. Little fishy here decided to play with me. Bye. Look at that. Perfect hooks. Oh, nangangagat. Tikpang kagatin. Perfect hook set. Whoa. Relax, boy. I promise I'll let you go. I'll let you go in my cooler. Okay. So far, ito ang ating naiuwi. Ayan. Meron tayong 3 maya. Ayan. Solid yung mga size niya, no? And ito yung mga alimangong nahuli natin. Di ba? Ayos. So, lalagyan ko to ng yelo?
Wag na.
Ha?
Wag na.
Diretso kawali na? Medyo hinapon na kami. May mga dinaanan pa kami and nakakapagod din mag-fishing and crabbing. Pero masaya. Okay. So, ilang crabs ba ang ating nahuli? Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Uy, laki na to. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 crabs. What do you think?
Sarap na ito iba.
Kasi pag niluto namin to lahat, baka naman sa ER tayo madiretso. Diba? Alright, so magluto ka lang mga 5.
Ay, gusto rin nila yan.
Nila Marshall? Well, maybe kalahati. Kawa. Here. Tandaan nyo, ha? Next time, pag bumalik kami doon, kailangan perfect yung tide and yung timing namin para mas marami. Normally kasi, ang dami talaga ng huli namin doon. Mga isang bucket, isang timba. I think, yan, okay na yan. Ayan ang ulam natin for tonight. You wanna eat crabs tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? Look, there's crabs over there. Uh-oh, what's going on here? What are you doing? What are y'all doing?
I'm cleaning up.
How much are you getting paid to clean in this house?
0.
Good. You missed the spot over there. Hurry up because we're gonna go bike riding. Alright, so I guess tapusin na natin tong walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog na to dahil magbabike pa kami after, well, bago kami kumain. E-bikes ang gamit nila. Gamitin ko yung mountain bike kasi kailangan ko na mag-ehersisyo. Kasi puro e-bike na pinagagagawa namin dito. And Wednesday, Thursday, hanggang ngayon is nandito lang kami sa bahay dahil nga sa Baguio. So yeah, I guess that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Lagi nyo tatandaan, love, peace, and happiness lang. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. Kung bago ka dito, well, you know, like and comment. Yung mga OG dito, pakishare naman yung mga videos natin para naman marating na natin ang matagal ng inaasam-asam na 100,000 pieces na subscribers. Alright? So, yeah. Peace. Yun, no? Yun. Yun. Huwag natin i-discriminate yung maliliit. Yan. Wala tayong pang pang crack. Yun, no? Yun, no? Sarap ng alimango pag libre. Yun. Yun. Yun.